Gitu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable judges and everyone here today. I'm Nurkawi Hari from Muslim of Indonesia University. And my title of speech is, If the Hello Center community could speak, let us begin with the reality. When a patient comes to a community health center, they bring only one thing: hope to get better. But even after months of independence, the place where people they live, the amount of money they have, and even the type of health insurance they use can still affect how quickly they receive treatment and kindness. Healthcare is more than medicine. It's about dignity, equality, and humanity. Every citizen, regardless of where they are born, deserves the same chance to live a healthy life. Unfortunately, for many Indonesians, that opportunity is still unequal. Today, I stand before you as the voice of integrity, a voice that refuses to stay silent. Ladies and gentlemen, let us look at the situation of healthcare in Indonesia today. People in big cities can easily talk to specialist doctor through digital application, but many people living in remote, border, and island area still struggle to get even the most basic healthcare. According to Ministry of Health of Indonesia, our country is facing shortage of 93 to 100,000 general practitioners. This shortage has serious effects. In Papua Mountain Province, more than 62% of community health centers have no doctor at all. In Mamberamo Raya, many health centers often have no general practitioners, specialists, and no dentists. These problems becomes worse because many health facilities are old and medical equipment not evenly distributed. Data from the Central Bureau of Statistics shows that many remote sub-districts still don't have proper community health centers buildings. Imagine a pregnant mother who must travel for hours by boat just to meet a doctor. Imagine a child with a high fever whose parents can only wipe because there's no ambulance available. These situations are not stories from the past, they are still experienced by many Indonesians today. When the only health center on remote island has only one nurse, no doctor, and no working equipment, an emergency means traveling across for the cities. This is where integrity is tested. Money has been prepared, but the supplies don't always reach the people who need them most. So, what's our task? Our task is not only to read statistics or watch this problem continue. Our responsibility is to make sure every Indonesia has the same right, whether they live in a city or on a small island far away. We also have a moral duty to demand fairness. Good healthcare should not exist only in speeches or seminars, it must be seen in real life. Doctors who are present, friendly service, and working medical equipment in every part of Indonesia. Integrity also means having the courage to speak up when we see injustice. It means refusing to accept as something normal. We cannot solve every problem overnight, but we can begin by demanding transparency and fairness from everyone involved in the healthcare system. As a young people, we might not yet be a doctor or policy makers, but we can become responsible citizens who value honesty and care for others. The future of Indonesia depends on the values we choose today. So, what action should we take? First, we need distribution of doctor. The Ministry of Health should create stronger and more organized system for placing doctor across the country. Doctor should not gather only in the big cities. Scholarship graduate complete should remote service in remote areas while receiving housing, safety, and fair financial support. Second, we need digital monitoring of medical supplies, deliveries of oxygen tanks, ultrasound machine, medicine, and other equipment to Papua and other remote regions should be tracked openly through digital system. So yeah, this solution cannot replace doctor on the ground, but it can greatly improve access to healthcare while reducing unnecessary delays. Finally, cooperation is essential. The government, the healthcare workers, the private companies, universities, and communities must work together. Ladies and gentlemen, to end my speech, remember this. Disease does not choose based on where people live or how much money they have. Therefore, healthcare should never depend on distance, wealth, or social status. Integrity is about keeping our promise to the people. It's about making sure every decision that truly reach those who need it. When integrity guides our action, justice becomes possible. So, for the next one, let us raise our voice with integrity so they can be heard. From this stage to the people make decisions are made. Let us become people who fight for justice and build an Indonesian healthcare system that is honesty, fair, and full of compassion. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.